Hi, how are you? Thank you so much for taking the time to enter your email address on the previous page. I just want to take about a minute of your time to introduce you to this opportunity and to the system that I'm using so you can finally start seeing some success online. Because there's a good chance that if you ever thought about making money online or starting a side hustle, this probably isn't your first time. The truth is, like most people, you may have failed in the past. I've been there. I know how it feels to struggle and go down that rabbit hole, feeling like a total failure. Unfortunately, that is part of the process for most of us. I know it's not your fault because most of the gurus are giving you information that doesn't tell you the whole truth. I'm sure you've seen these before where they'll paint an opportunity for you that looks fantastic, but then you get in and it's a lot harder than it looked originally. What's even worse is that a lot of these scammers are teaching you how to do one thing and they're making all their money selling the courses. I too have been a victim of these scammy webinars and false promises that nobody stands behind. Fortunately, I finally found something different, something fairly new that actually works. Listen, the key is high ticket affiliate marketing. You have to partner with the right program because not all high ticket affiliate marketing programs are created equally. That's why this program, this strategy, and its framework is so crucial to your success. This system that I'm sharing with you today was put together by a nice gentleman named Dave Sharp. If you'll click on the button that's on this page, you'll see a quick presentation from him that is going to give you more information. It'll also tell you about his background and how he wants to share his 8-figure business model with you. After listening to Dave, you should clearly understand why high ticket affiliate marketing is the answer that you've been looking for. Remember, it's not just high ticket affiliate marketing, it's high ticket affiliate marketing with the right program that's going to make all the difference for you. So, right now, go ahead and click the button to watch this presentation and see if this is the opportunity you've been looking for. Remember, if you want to live the dream life that you desire and deserve, you have to take action. The first step of taking action is to click on the button on this page and watch Dave's presentation. I believe he'll open your eyes to the potential of high ticket affiliate marketing. I'm excited for you. This is a hot opportunity. It's one of the best programs going on right now. And I'm not alone when I tell you there's still a little time to get ahead of the curve. So now's the time to jump on board. Simply click on the button and watch the presentation so you can see if high ticket affiliate marketing is the right opportunity for you.